Welcome. If you're looking to unlock in-game rewards, also known as quests, on Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. Whether you're hoping to score exclusive items or just want to get the most out of your favorite games, enabling this feature is quick and easy. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through every step so you can start earning those rewards in no time. First, grab your phone and open up the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for your profile icon. It's usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Now that you're in your profile, scroll down until you see the settings menu. Here, you'll find all kinds of options to customize your Discord experience. What you want to look for is the section labeled Data and Privacy. Tap on that to continue. Inside the Data and Privacy section, you'll see a list of privacy settings and data controls. Scroll down until you find the option for in-game rewards, which might also be labeled as quests. This is the setting that allows Discord to connect with your games and deliver those awesome in-game rewards. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch next to in-game rewards or quests to the on position. You might see a quick pop-up explaining what this setting does. If so, just confirm your choice. And that's it. You've now enabled in-game rewards on Discord Mobile. From here, you'll be able to participate in special quests, unlock unique items, and enjoy all the perks that come with it. Don't forget to check your notifications for new quests and rewards as they become available. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most from your apps and games. Happy questing!